Nia, and today we're going to be making kale and Parmesan pasta. Let's go! First, start by boiling the water for your pasta. Feel free to add any salt or seasonings to enhance the flavor of your water for the pasta. Here, I added garlic and black pepper flavored sea salt. Once you have the water at a rapid boil, add your box of pasta. While that's boiling, we can focus on our veggies. In your skillet, over about medium heat, add your olive oil, butter, any other flavoring oils. I decided to use palm oil, red pepper flakes, and garlic. I decided to add some green onions and broccoli as my flavor additions. Once that cooks down a bit, you can add your kale or whatever other greens you're using. I had some extras in my fridge, so I added a little bok choy in addition to the bunches of kale. This takes about 5 to 7 minutes to cook down, so in the meantime, let's check on our pasta and see if it's ready. Once the pasta is completely cooked, strain it and add it to your skillet. Toss it around in the greens and then put it in a bowl. After that, add your Parmesan cheese and whatever other toppings you like, and you're done. Enjoy!